In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Teams on your desktop or your mobile device, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. To get started, you'd first need to open the Microsoft Teams app. This is essential as all the actions we'll be performing require access to the Teams interface. If you're on your desktop, you can find the application by searching for it in your taskbar or from your Start menu. On a mobile device, simply locate the app among your other applications and tap to open it. Now that you have Teams up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Teams window. Here, you'll either see your profile picture, if you've already set one, or your initials, which is Teams' way of personalizing your profile for you. Clicking here will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account and status. This is where we begin to change your profile picture. The next step is to select the option labeled either Upload Picture or Change Picture. This option allows you to edit your existing profile image or add a new one if you haven't yet personalized your Teams account. It's a straightforward process. Clicking this will prompt a window to appear, allowing you to browse your files. Here, you can navigate through your computer or device to find the image you'd like to use. Choose a photo that represents you best, whether it's a professional headshot, a logo, or a fun picture that expresses your personality. Once you've found the perfect image, click on it to select it. With your image selected, it's time to apply this new look to your Teams profile. Look for the Save or Apply button. It's typically located at the bottom of the window where you've chosen your picture. Clicking this button will finalize your choice and initiate the update process across the Microsoft Teams platform. At this point, your work is nearly done. However, after saving your new picture, there's a brief waiting period for the changes to take effect. Microsoft Teams might take a few minutes to display your new profile picture across all your devices and for all your contacts. This update timing can vary, but be assured that once processed, your new image will be visible to everyone in your Teams circles. Following these simple steps ensures that you stand out in your workspace with a profile picture that truly reflects who you are. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully personalized your Microsoft Teams profile picture. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more comfortable navigating the features of Microsoft Teams. Happy Teamsing!